Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Roblox error code 524 in a quick and easy way so you can join games without getting blocked or kicked out. This error usually appears when you try to join a private server without permission, or when the server has restricted access. First, make sure you have permission to join that server. If it's a private server, ask the owner to invite you or add you to the allowed list. Next, try joining a different public server to confirm that the issue is not with your connection. After that, log out of your Roblox account and log back in to refresh your session. You should also restart your device and check your internet connection to make sure it is stable. Another helpful step is to clear your browser cache or reinstall Roblox if you're using the app. Finally, avoid using VPN or proxy services, as they can sometimes cause access issues. After following these steps, error code 524 should be resolved, and you should be able to join games normally again. Subscribe the channel for more videos.